mechanical designer. Please subscribe this channel for mechanical design related, tutorial related, career development related videos. So let's go our topic. Today we are going to design and some motion simulation in bolt and nut design in solid edge software. So let's go into the topic here. So here we are just starting the solid edge software. Then at first go to the new, then go for new, and the let's go into the topic here. Here we are first go to the ANSYS metric option, then go to the ANSI metric part option. Here is the solid edge 2020 window. We can make the model in solid synchronous, but I prefer to do in order. So let's go to the order option. Then first make visible all the planes. Then go to the sketch option and click on the plane option. Okay, here we are perpendicular to this plane option. Then we I am just going to make one sketch. Please watch carefully. I am going to make this sketch here. Okay, that's 90-degree, that is showing. After that, just make this type of sketch, and I'm just making this, and here I am just joining this part. Then I'm just making the trim option here. Now the time is for giving the dimensions. So here I am giving the dimension here. Wait, please hold the shift key and the mouse middle key to locate or to move this drawing in the window. So here I am giving the dimension 120. Here I am giving this dimension also 120, and I am giving this dimension is that is 10. That is M20 bolt, for M20 bolt. Then I am giving this dimension is 2 millimeter, and giving this dimension, sorry, giving this dimension, what's the problem? I'm giving the horizontal or vertical. This dimension is around 8 millimeter. Okay, then I am giving this dimension is around giving this dimension is around 5 millimeter, and this is also become automatic with that. And then I'm giving this dimension, the head dimension is around 20. No, 20 is very small. Giving this dimension is around 50 millimeter. No, that 50 is very large. 1 minute. I'm giving the dimension I'm giving this dimension around 30 millimeter. So this is, and the head dimension I am gonna change, and that is near 10 millimeter. But I need to extend this part also, that also 10, that also 1 minute, that also 20 millimeter. Okay, now this is okay. So let's close the sketch. Here this is the sketch part. Okay, here this is the sketch part. Then I am going to revolve this. Go to the revolve option. Here select the select from sketch option and select the sketch. Then green tick. Then give the axis option. Give this axis and here the 360. And you can see that the revolve option has been finished. Then I am going to make one sketch on this plane. Okay, here I am going to make one sketch here, then click here, make one angle, give the angle dimension here, that is 60 degree, and just connect these two parts. Okay, then just make these two line the construction line. Oh, sorry. Select this, make construction line. Select this, make construction line. Then go to the closed sketch option. Then I am going to make one extrude cut option and go to the select from sketch, or it may be the select from sketch option. It may be wrong. I need to change in sketch. Here I need to make this part, or the convert to curve, convert to sketch, project to sketch option. Okay, and then make this sketch option. Okay, then go to the trim option and just hide all of that. Then remove clear from sketch, close from sketch, and I am just making um, this part and just make it happen. You can see that that is finished. I am just hiding all the sketch here. Okay, then I am going to make one thing, that is the pattern option, that is the pattern option, that is the circular pattern. Maybe this is the circular pattern option, I think. Then select this feature and that is the plane, and um, it is the circular pattern. Where is the circular pattern option? Circular pattern, that is the feature, circular pattern option. Sorry. In the here, or one thing, please wait. What is the circular pattern option? Pattern by table, pattern along curve. If we make one also go to the sketch here and just edit the sketch. Okay, if we edit this sketch, and here we can make one circular pattern, that is these two part, and select the circle here and count 6, uh, and you can show that we have make that sketch also. Now we need to delete this cutout option and make one more the cutout. We can make we can make disconnected elements. Okay, no problem. If we here there is some problem in making the head portion, no problem. I'm just not going to do the head portion. Okay, now I am just making the thread portion. Okay, this is the thread portion. Now go to the sketch and make the perpendicular option. Here I am going to make one sketch here. Please wait. I am going to make one sketch here. 1 minute. I'm just need to select the right plane here. I have to go to the sketch and select the plane. Then I am going to make this part. Here I am make one rectangle here. Okay, and giving the dimension, that is part 1. That is part 1 giving dimension, and that is also 1. Okay, and I am giving this height also, that is 1.3. Okay, now I am just making one axis here. Select this line and I am giving the axis this, and I am giving the height also of the axis, that is actual 105. Then I may have make the part and just close the sketch. Then I am going to revolve it. Please go to the helix option. Select from the sketch and select this axis, and please select this axis also. Then go to the pitch option, give the pitch 3 and click here in the preview. You can see the thread has been built here. Okay, and we can make two chamfer here, that is one chamfer here. Please reduce the size that is 2 mm, and one chamfer here. Select this chamfer and select this, and you can see that I just make the chamfer here. And if you make some radius, you can select this. Please reduce the, yeah, and make the preview and finish. In this how we can make the bolt part. Then I am going to save this bolt. I am going to save this bolt in my computer. That is the bolt. Okay. Now I am going to make the new part, metric part. I am going to make the nut portion. Okay. Here please go to the ordered option and then make visible all the planes. Please select this plane and go to the sketch. Okay, or go to the sketch and select this plane. Okay, now I am going to make this one is and two part. Give the dimension, that is 20, and give the dimension, that is 50. Okay, let's close it, and we are going to extrude it. Select from sketch and select these and these. Click here, and I am making the symmetrical and giving the thickness is around 50. Oh sorry, 50 is very large. I have to change that. Then go to the here and make this, and if you click here you can make this to 25. Okay, here. And now we are going to make two things here. Then we are just make the one sketch here, that is go to the sketch, select the plane, go to the sketch, but we have to select this plane, not other plane. Close sketch. I'm select this plane and sketch. I have to make something here, that is first go to the project to sketch option, select this. Okay, then I am going to make something here. I have to make here, I have to make here and select this. I am giving the dimensions is 60°. Okay, let's wait there for the angle dimension, that is 60. Okay, now I am giving one more thing, that will be also 60. That will be also 60. Here I make some mistake. I'm just going to delete this and make this line, that is, give the dimension, please give the dimension, and give the dimension. Okay, give this dimension also 60, then give dimension, 60, and give this dimension 60. And if we make something here, the lines, if we connect these lines here, connect these lines here, and just make the trim option here. I'm going to trim all these lines here. Okay, I think there is some problem here, that is, select these and this option. Okay, now I have to trim one more part, that is this. Then I am trying to exclude cut thing. Let's see if it is making a cut option. Select from sketch. Let's see. It's also told that this profile intersects itself. So I'm not making this also the hexagonal shape. I am just making one thread here. Okay, that make the two chamfer here, one chamfer in here, another chamfer in here, and I'm just making one thread here. Just select the sketch, or select the plane, and we have to make one thing, that is one axis. The axis should gone through all of these. This will be the axis, and mm, I have to make one thing, that is the 20. Okay, no problem. I'm going to make this part, that is, giving its dimension is 2 millimeter, from these to this part, this point to this point. What the problem? Selecting these, that is the 2 point, 1 point these, another point this. Okay, why did horizontal and vertical, that is 1. Okay, that is okay. And the distance between these is 1.3. Okay, and I am giving one more distance here, that is this point to this is 10. Okay, now I'm closing this sketch here and make the thread part. Going for this helix option, select the sketch, click here and select this axis and also select this axis. Give the pitch 3 and make the preview. Boolean operation on solid failed. So I am trying again, that is make the helix. Oh, it may be I make this from outside, I think. I have make the drawing outside. Sorry, I have to change this. So this will happen like that. Okay, this will happen like that. Sorry, I need to cut these lines. Sorry. And this will happen like that. I think then we can make that maybe let's try. Go to the helix part, select the sketch, click and select this axis and go for the axis 2 mm preview, and you can see that I have made this thread part. Okay, now I'm going to save this also. I'm save this as a knot. Now I'm going to make the assembly. Then go here, go to new assembly of the active part. Sorry, go for the bolt option first, then go here, then go to the new option assembly of the active part and OK. I can show that in my assembly part here the bolt has already come. Then I am going to insert the bolt part, the nut part. Then go to the where we can see please go to this desktop, and where I have just there is the bolt part. I have just bolt, sorry, here is already the bolt, so I need to delete this, then make the nut. Here is the nut. Okay, I'm just giving the relationship here. Okay, go to the mate option. 1 minute. You can see this, that is the bolt option. After that we import the nut here. After getting the nut option, then go to the here the assemble option. There the mating options are come, then select this and this, that automatically concentric. Then just click here or make escape. Then Here you can see this. Okay, then if you give the motion, then go to the rotary, select this and give the axis and give the direction 360 and make cancel. Then select the linear option, select this and this and giving the flip the direction and just give this to 70 mm. Okay, and cancel. Here is the bolt, here is the nut option, and if we give the simulation here, you can see. Okay, here is the simulation, that is rotate and come to the part. This is how we can make the simulation of the nut and bolt and give its motion. You can see that. You can see that. Uh, how can this is repeated? You can see that once more time here. This is how we can design an assembly of the bolt and nut option. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you all.